welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do something about skincare. It's been a minute since I did a video about skincare, so today I'm going to show you how to make all these here. But before that, if you're new here, welcome and welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for all the support you guys have given me over time. So let's get into the video. So these are the ingredients you need to make your carrot oil. So you need carrots, of course, that's the main ingredient. And then as an equipment, you need to have a grater or a shredder. I'm using a grater here and it's a lot of work. It's like, you know, having a hand exercise, which is okay. And then you need to make sure that you grate them in small pieces so that they're ready. So our carrots are ready. Our grated carrot is ready to be put on the fire. So that is a lot of exercise. I think my hand has done enough exercise. Okay, so now we pick our oil. I'm using coconut oil, and this is pure coconut oil, but it's advisable to use organic coconut oil. I think my next batch I will use organic coconut oil, but this is what I had today. So you need to make sure you put your pan on medium heat because we want to just work with medium heat so that the oil doesn't burn, and also you want to get full benefit of your the carrot, so the oil needs to be at a good temperature. So I put my oil and then I make sure that it becomes slightly hot, not too much, and then you can add the carrot. So what I like to do usually to get to know that my oil is getting a bit hot, I put a bit of carrot, and then if it starts to bubble, I know the oil is ready. So you can see there is a bit of bubble, just a bit. So now you can add the rest of your carrots and then you keep turning. So now the idea is to make sure you keep turning and keep turning. You don't want to go away from these carrots because they might just probably burn. So you have to just be there for like 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to keep turning and make sure they cook while you are turning. Okay, so that you can also get the full benefit of the carrots. Now, I kept turning and turning and turning. That's why good things take time, all right? So after turning for like 3 minutes, I realized I needed to add the oil because I think my carrots were a bit more than the oil I put. So you can add oil as you go by, depending on, you know, how you see and how you like it. So I added a bit of oil there. So, and then I continue to turn. Can you see, you starting to see the oil becoming, you know, orange? And that is what you need to do, and that's why you need to be there. Keep turning and turning and turning until you feel like the carrots have cooked enough. Now you can go to the next step. So this is like 9 minutes and I'm still here. I'm still turning to make sure that I get all the product and all the carrot is infused in the oil and it cooks so that we get our really good carrot oil. Okay, so after you keep turning for like 10 minutes, you can also do 10, 12, that's okay. After you do that and you feel like the carrots now are good to go, now you can simmer them and put them on low heat for like 30 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes and now I am going to put the fire on low heat so that I can let them simmer for 30 good minutes, and that way we are going to get our good carrot oil which will have cooked very well. And you don't want to cover because it will get a lot of water. It will get water, and you don't want that. 30 minutes later, and this is the product we have, you guys. Very well cooked, and you can see the oil, the color is so rich, and this is our final product. It's amazing. It's really good. The aroma is just the best. So what you need to do, you need to just let it cool. So I used to leave it for the night because I'm doing this in the evening. So I will leave it for the night, and then I am going to, sieve it and do all those good stuff and pack it. So this is our oil, and it's ready. You see the bubbles, like it's very well infused with the oil. So our product is perfect. So here with me, I have this carrot oil that I already did last night. It's already infused. I cook it for a long time. That's how it is. So it's already cooked and infused and all that. So now it's time to do what? Now it's time to, filter it and get our carrot oil. All right. So that aside, so this carrot oil is very good because we are using products that are easy to find at home. Let's filter our carrot oil and see what we got. Now our carrot is ready to filter. Can you look at that color? So rich. And by the way, guys, I think also another little secret is if you have a non-stick pan, it's going to help. Like what I used, it won't burn because it's going to really help you to get a good product. And now here for filtering, I am using this sieve. And you can also use a cloth, I think, or any other thing that helps you to, to get the full product from the carrots. Look at that. It's so satisfying. The color is so rich, and I can just do this every other time. Like, it's so satisfying. So this is how our oil looks like, and I have a bottle where I'm going to just strain it. I hope I don't mess up. Okay, perfect. So I think I'll have like 2 more bottles. So this is the carrot oil. Now we all know that coconut oil, we can use it in the house to cook. You can use it for the face, you can use it for the hair. So that is the beauty of it. It gives you an all-round way, and you can maximize on the usage, how you can use it. So this, you can add it in your creams, you can add it in your body lotion, and also you can use it for the hair. You can use it for the body if you want to, brighten some parts. Like, let's say I'm going to demo for you. So I'm going to put a bit of that, just that I don't want to be too oily. And then over here, I can just apply if I want this area, because most of us, we tend to have, like dark, this area tends to be a bit more dark. And then here as well, and your armpits, maybe on the bum bum. So this oil, if you apply it, especially in the night and then you go to sleep, but you have to give it time to work. Like, you cannot apply it today and tomorrow you expect results, because it has to, it has to take time. And the beauty about this oil is, this is homemade. You can use it to cook. Because we've just used only carrot and coconut oil, which is very good for also cooking. So you can use this for cooking. If, let's say, you're making rice and you want a natural color, you can use this to get the natural color, which has also the oil. Also, if you have a kid who has eczema, this is really, really perfect. And you can use it also as your, oil for the face. Let's say, like right now, I don't have a lot of makeup. I mean, I don't have makeup on the face, but I did my eyebrows and a bit of lip stick. So let's say I use that if I want to brighten my face. So this, and I use it as just my normal oil for, you know, for the face. So this is what I would do. And it is going to brighten your, you know, like let's say under the eye. So you apply on the neck, you apply, you know, on the ears and all that. So this oil is very essential in the house, and it's easy to make. Although you have to follow the steps, you have to be patient, you'll be there to make sure that everything, it cooks and it doesn't burn. Because if it burns, then it's not really going to be to work as much. Let's say you want to just have a natural brightener, this is a very good option to do that. Not a bleaching ingredient. This oil is, because of the carrot, most of the products that we buy, let's say for skin brightening, are made of, there's always, you know, carrot that is added into it. So this is going to be a very natural brightening effect on your body if you want to brighten a bit, and it's going to really help you and give you good results if you do it regularly and you also give it time to work. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be doing a few of these natural ingredients so that we take care of ourselves. All right, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also comment down below and tell me, have you used it, and what other oils are you using to just you know, use in the house. It's going to be very beneficial so that we can learn together. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.